with Russian troops needing to use non-armored Desertcross vehicles due to lacking armored vehicles. They have become a constant target for FPV drones, being extra vulnerable as the vehicle offers no real protection, but sometimes Russian soldiers can have some luck while being targeted. Seen here as a Ukrainian drone dives down and hits the vehicle, exploding at the front, destroying the vehicle while the troops manage to flee on foot, showing how quickly Ukraine's drone army can show up and strike Russian vehicles, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.